Good day, mate. Our editors at sydneycbd.repair thinks the Huawei Nova 3i is the coolest smartphone today. Here are some reasons why. Beautiful build. From the back, the Nova 3i looks strikingly similar to the Nova 3e, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. A gorgeous combination of flat, glossy glass and metal makes the handset a pleasure to hold and ogle. Gorgeous display. The panel is capable and looks quite attractive with that design. It's sharp, accurate, but of course, it doesn't have a high contrast ratio and saturation of an AMOLED panel. Multimedia powerhouse. The Nova 3i can be a great pocket entertainment alternative. It has a huge 6.3-inch Full HD display, which is perfect for watching content on the go. Solid performer. The Nova 3i can run quite adequately because the Kirin 710 does handle the routine tasks quite well. It's perfectly capable of running Huawei's somewhat bloated UI with Android 8.1. It has 4GB RAM, which makes for some smoother operation. We love this smartphone from Huawei. If you agree, please share this to others who do too. For your Huawei Nova 3i screen replacement needs, go to Sydney CBD Repair. Cheers.